you for joining me today for After 50. Don't forget, workouts coming on Mondays and Thursdays. Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we're doing a CrossFit type of workout. I bumped into this workout watching YouTube the other day. This is just a variation on it. Lunges, burpees, nothing else to it. No weights, nothing else. Just me, you. Let's get going. We're starting off with 21 lunges, one leg only. I'm going to try to get through this as fast as I can. See if you can beat me to the end of this video, all right? 21 lunges, one leg. You guys ready to go? And 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2. From here, we're going into 21 burpees. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 21 burpees, we're going to do 21 on the other leg. And then switch over to 21 burpees one more time. 14, 15, as fast as we can. 16, come on. 17, 18, 19, 20. One more, we're going straight to the burpees. No breaks, guys. Ready? Let's go. Ooh, that was a better one. 1. A little jump. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11 left. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6 left. Let's go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 2 more. 5. And 6. 21 lunges, other leg. Let's go. 1. 2. From here, we're moving on to 15s. 3. 4. Push yourself today. 6. 7. 8. Come on. 9. 10. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Come on. 6. Let's go. 7. Work hard. You can hear me breathing. 8. 9. 10. One more. Guess what? 21 burpees. You guys ready to go? Let's go. 1. Only 20 left. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Let's go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 more. 5, 6. All right, 21s are done. 15 lunges. Back to right leg, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 more. Keep it up, come on guys. 15, 15, 15, 15. Then all 9s and we're done. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. 15 burpees. You guys ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 1. All right, moving on. 15 lunges, other leg. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep it up. 7, 8, 9. Come on. 10. 5 more. Stay with me. 2, 3. 2 more. Push yourself. Come on. 1 and 2. 15 burpees. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 4 and 5. All right, 9. All 9s and we're done. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Keep it up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. 9. 9 burpees. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 4 left. 1, 2, 3. One more. And 4. 9 lunges. Opposite leg. Last set. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 more. 1. Come on. 2. Let's go. 3. Last set of burpees. Let's knock these out. Ready? Go. I'm looking at you guys. Let's go. 9. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. That's it. That's it. I am done. Thank you for joining me today for After 50. Don't forget, workouts coming on Mondays and Thursdays. Feel like torturing yourself with me? Right here from my basement? Make sure to subscribe, come back, and I'll see you guys after I catch my breath and during the next workout. I'll see you guys later.